Talesong 25. In the country of last things, I wander ruins, streets choked with dust. Looking for my brother, I wander, I trust. Goods are scarce, people desperate and wild. Life's lost its name, cities defiled. I barter, I scavenge, I dodge the gangs. Every corner hides danger or clangs. Yet I move, I search, I hold to hope. Every step forward, my way to cope. People survive, yet kindness is rare. Every face tells a story of despair. I record, I witness, I cling to sight. A world decayed, yet sparks of light. Through chaos and ruin, I keep my pace, memories of home my guiding trace. Life's end or beginning, hard to define, I endure, I see, in last things I shine. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.